Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change your nickname on Binance using a laptop. It's quite simple. All you have to do is take the first step, which is to log into your Binance account. Binance.com online, and then you log in using your email username and your password. Once you're in, hover over the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. You see the profile icon next to the wallet icon. So the next thing you're going to see is a drop down menu. Click on profile, and in the profile page look for personal information section. Then you should see your nickname displayed. Next to your current nickname, click on the edit button. It might look like a pencil icon or an edit link. A field will appear allowing you to type in your new nickname. Enter your desired nickname. Ensure it meets any character or style guidelines provided by Binance, because it might be restricted to letters, numbers, or certain symbols. Once you've done this, click the save button to confirm your change. Your new nickname should now be edited on your profile. After saving a change, you'll be redirected back to your profile page and your new nickname will appear there. It's as simple as that. Please note that your nickname may be subject to certain rules, like I said before, such as character limits or restrictions on inappropriate words. Don't forget that changing your nickname can help personalize your account, but does not affect your account security or functionality. So that's it. Once you follow the steps, you successfully updated your nickname on Binance by laptop.